We'll have to go down there and get some more then, won't we?
His arse wide while he's out.
Oh, it's not clogging up or anything. In there, it should be pretty good, but I'll just make sure. I don't know how much stuff they got the ocular. Gorgeous. So what can the second say? No, I'm not so.
These. Oh, we'll get one in a minute. And look at these. These are the original expensive, the super expensive nuts and bolts from Honda. And they were £91 for 8 studs and 8 nuts. Solid diamond, I think, for what they cost.
So, yeah.
Yeah. And there's genuine Honda prawn crackers over there.
See what I mean? Look, it goes all the way in there.
Yeah.
It goes in that far.
Right, I need to find that bolt. I have a feeling
I thoroughly used that one.
that it has been.
Someone's probably snapped a bit off in there.
And he snapped it off in there.
Well, unless it was one of these.
So it does seem as if was it that one there? Something snapped off inside. Which explains why.
Of course.
We had this.
There's the test. That goes in. But that's fine.
Have we shown anything? Let's get like that.
And this goes in that far.
Yep. So something is snapped off in there.
I dig out.
But we shall reuse this if it still fits properly.
Yeah.
Turn it, what are you doing?
So I just cleaned up the thread on the bolt that was used last time round while we're in there.
Yeah. It's going smoothly now.
So that's now nice and smooth.
Well,
Double
yeah.
check there anyway.
As I mentioned, we're going to use it for now, and then at some point in the future,
I've got a little bit on there.
get out whatever's in there.
Yeah, I think I'll try and run the tap in there. Engineering skills.
While Pete readapts an original stud to take the place of the bolt for aesthetics.
Yes, that's it.
I am going to take these original OEM.
That thread to that length.
Yes, and then in the future we'll actually dig out whatever's in there.
Yeah.
But right now, while he's doing that, I'm going to be taking these very lovely OEM cock rings. Gaskets with a bit of gasket sealant, and stick them in there. I've given the bolts a really good scrape, and they're clean, so they're good. Have some bolts, because the rev counter was not lighting up. I have some bolts.
I use.
Yay! We have light.
Right, it's the end of the
Oh,
tunnel.
where did that go in? That went in.
There's just some wedges in the hole, really. That's what they do in those.
Yep, so we have now
3, 2, 1.
Yay! And we have light. It was all going so well until we found out that this in here is threaded. So we're going to have to drop this again and work out what we need to do to recut a thread or something. But the fun thing is there's actually something stuck inside there. So we only had half a thread, which is why the person before used a bolt, because they only had that much going in. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, okay, yeah, this is working. A little update. We cleaned it out, scraped everything out from inside. We didn't tap it. I was just curious to see if one of the old studs, you know, one that's got the rusted bit on, if that would fit in there. And it's screwed in nice and tight and lovely, and it's holding it. We might have got away with it. We're going to probably take it out at some point and put some Loctite in, as you said. But it's
a proper new stud, of course.
Yeah, but right now, and a proper new stud. But right now, that looks like we've done it. Ooh, maybe. So we heard what it sounded like last time, which was a tractor. And now, Mr. Pete, in his shorts, you can't see because he's standing behind the bike, but they're very sexy, very sexy. We're going to see what it sounds like, and even if it starts. Go on then, Pete. It's coming. One. Two.
Put on about fighters then.
I will actually. And here we have one master cylinder to be rebuilt. Can't see a spare washer there, so I'll hang on to that. Okay, right. So, you saw me kind of pulling this thing apart at a very bad angle on the bin, but when I put it back together, it's quite simple. It's literally just obviously change the piston, the pin, and the little little gaskets, rubber gaskets. Trouble was I didn't have the circlip plier thing, whatever it's called, so I had to go somewhere and pop into my local mechanic and ask if they could just stick the gasket back in, sorry, the circlip, and now it's in, so it's rebuilt. So what we're going to do next is, put it back on, get some fluid in, bleed it through, and see if that helps with this brake fading issue that we have. Basically, bleed it, it's all good, great. 2 days later you come and it just pulls right through. So it's been completely rebuilt, and I do apologise for not filming it up, you know, close up. But if you want to see it done properly, there's loads of videos on the interweb of dreams. Right, let's get cracking. going down. Hello, cat. Feeling good. It's just now to obviously see if it remains like that. And right now, I can't put it round. Keep that on like that for a bit. So final update for today. It's back together. These all studs were done, as you know. That's okay. The fairing's been put on because I wanted to see it as a bike. Master cylinder has been rebuilt. Okay, bled. This is on here just to force that the last bit out, and then obviously hoping that that does the trick and it doesn't go limpy after a few days as it was doing in the past. I'm just checking this is tight again. What else has got to be done? Seems to be some electrical issues. There are bits of broken fairing, clips, all of that needs to be done. Remoto has sent me 2 right-hand mirrors, so I've got 1 mirror on it now. But the biggest fuck up is the air scoop. Yes, we forgot to put it on. So, whilst I've been having fun today, tank's got to come off again, and we've got to do this in. And anybody that knows anything about Fireblades knows that it's very fiddly. So, it's running, but definitely on the home stretch, and getting a little bit closer to, hopefully, one day, get it to an MOT. Oh, tyres, knackered, they need changing, but yes, we're getting there, so see you soon.
That's what